Health workers are holding countrywide demonstrations today and every Tuesday in a bid to press the government to listen to them and fulfill their demands and promises. Now, this comes after a back and forth between health workers and the Inspector General of Police, Japhet Koome, who has outlawed the strike. The medics whose strike hit the 1-month mark had also given the police boss a limited time to retract his statement and withdraw his threats. Let's now cross over live to our reporter, Husna Mohammed, who is following on that strike. Husna, over to you.
Officers and also lab technicians. So I'm just going to call them. WG, what's your take on today?
Today, so far, is a successful day. We are on the way marching to the Council of Governors because COG says that they are employers 100%. They can't just be employers by the word of mouth. It's a high time that they be employers who can pay and can honor collective bargaining agreements. Know that the time that we want CBAs to be negotiated, CBAs to be implemented, they run away. We are saying as healthcare workers, because we are here as all workers, the doctors, the nurses, the clinical officers, the lab technologies, that there is no way that the healthcare can function if we do not consider the human resource component of it. The government has strongly on the brick and mortar, the white elephant projects, which just give the infrastructures, but there's no human resource component. And that's why we have doctors not being employed and health workers not being employed. We have interns now, their salaries being reduced by 90% and some 70%. And we are here now on a strike where we are demanding that the issues that we have presented to them, that is the employment of doctors, the compensation of interns, the implementation of the CBA, that is also the matters of insurance, must be implemented. So we are working to the COG. We will be here next week on Tuesday and we'll continue being there. Today marks the 34th day of our strike, but we are ready to go for 100 days, we are ready to go for 200 days, we are ready to go for 100 years. Today just marks 1 month of the strike.
So what do you think? Do you think the strike will be fruitful in terms of Koome said that this is illegal?
All right, that is our reporter, Husna Mohammed, speaking to the KMPDU Secretary General Davji Atel. And of course, he did mention that they will be protesting every Tuesday and that today they are marching to the Council of Governors office. They say that they are ready to continue with the strike until their demands are met. While we continue following up on that developing story and others, thank you so much for your company. That's how we wrap things up here on News Desk. I'm Ashley Mazuri. Enjoy the rest of your viewing and have a great day.